Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim Nadeem. I am 11 years old and I am an advanced level coder at White Hat Junior. My certifications include game, app, Android and iOS development. Racism has been a prominent issue in our society since ages. It has been an important criteria for judging people around us on the basis of their color or their race. As a kid, I have always been wondering the reason behind such partiality between people who have different skin tones or different nationalities or cultures. It gives me great sadness to know that people who fall prey to racism or colorism lack dignity, confidence and self-esteem within themselves throughout their lives being called as black. To tackle this problem at a global level, I have made an app called Color Me Right Ending Racism. It starts with a welcome screen which will slide for 3 seconds. Then you are presented a screen where you can see an intro video, and if you don't want to watch it, you can click on skip intro. And further, you are presented with a screen where you can educate yourself with fundamentals of racism. Once you are done, click on OK button. Now you have to give all the information on the victim. Let's take an example to give all the necessary information. We are reporting a girl named XYZ, aged 19, who belongs from a distinguished background. Once you are done, just click on the arrow button. Furthermore, you have to give the information on the racist. The racist is a native boy named PQR, aged 21, who is a male with the country native. Once you are done, click on the arrow indicating right. Now, if you made a mistake in the previous form, just click on the arrow indicating left to go back. And now we have to give all the information on the racist action. So report the abuse is constant verbal harassment about my accent and race leading to mental health problems. Is this a repetitive incident? Yes. Has anyone seen the abuse? Yes. And then you have to give your mail xyz@test.com. Then to submit the mail, just click on the arrow indicating right. Now, a mail has been sent to the United Nations of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, also known as OHCHR, and the information is also saved on a secure database. You will land to a thank you screen confirming your complaint has been reported. To educate yourself more about racism, you can click on the Let's Learn More About Racism, and it will take you to a website where you can donate to certain organizations, and you can also learn about racism by watching TED Talks and scholarly articles. If you want to go back, just click on the back button. And if you want to report some more racist, just click on the report some more racist button, and it will lead you to the beginning of the app. Now, while working on any screen of the app and you come across a confusion, just click on the chatbot icon and you just select any category you want. For example, OHCHR details, and it will lead you to a chatbot. And you ask it, for example, what is the full form of OHCHR? Or what is OHCHR? So it will give you the answer automatically. And to change the selection, you can just click on change the selection button. So another example, this is my app. Hope you enjoyed this. The potential usage of the app is a lot because there is no other app to report racism incidents, and this app is going to be useful to everyone because this is a problem you all can relate to across the globe. Thank you all.